How you see this first development that Court of Arbitration held on the power project that India is going to initiate on Jhelum, on Indus, and on Chenab, and whether this observation or this statement, the which the International Arbitration Court, which has already concluded, it is in the favor of Pakistan.
Pakistan requested the World Bank for the constitution of Court of Arbitration in 2015, and then in 2022 the Court of Arbitration was constituted
It is constituted on the order of the World Bank.
on the order of the World Bank, because
Mhm.
in the treaty the World Bank can appoint a neutral expert in order to resolve the differences on the design of projects between the two
True.
countries. If the issue is of non-technical nature, then we can request to the World Bank to appoint a court of arbitration. However, in both cases, any country can request the World Bank to appoint a court of arbitration, irrespective of the design or any legal framework laid down in the treaty. So accordingly, because when Pakistan approached to the World Bank, so the Indian side, they contested that it is a technical issue about these two projects, Zatali hydroelectric plant and Kishiganga hydroelectric plant, and it should have been exposed to the neutral expert, a technical engineer, not the court of arbitration.
True.
So that is why then the competence of the court of arbitration was then announced by the court that they are competent to handle this case. So at the same time, India filed a counter request that they would like to have a neutral expert on this issue. So the World Bank was thinking how to deal with this issue. Pakistan has approached for court arbitration, and we have started the process for the court arbitration, but India is not cooperating for the court arbitration, and rather they want a neutral expert on that. So the World Bank took a pause, and after about 5 years, because World Bank told both the countries they may negotiate with each other and decide whether they would like to go to the court arbitration or a neutral expert, because to this organization, if they have a different orders on these, so how it will be implemented. So after I think a thought, the World Bank then decided to appoint a neutral expert as well and court arbitration.